Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the professional Nicpro portable white folding floor easel stands. These premium metal tripods feature a beautiful gloss finish and sturdy non-slip rubber feet for safety. You can set them up instantly using the smart spring-loaded joints without needing any extra tools. Each lightweight stand folds down to 15 inches and fits perfectly inside the included protective carry bags. You can easily adjust the display arms to hold posters or boards weighing up to 5 pounds. Simply expand the legs into a wide triangle shape to ensure maximum stability on any floor surface. These versatile easels are perfect for weddings, art shows, office presentations, and professional store signage. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.